Hello everyone, welcome to Stay Update presented by JK Rakan. So friends, today the official notification of technical entry scheme, that is TES 45th course, which is commencing from July 2021, has been declared on the Indian Army official website, and the candidates who have completed their intermediate, that is 10+2 examination in physics, chemistry, mathematics, all the candidates will be eligible to apply under this scheme. And this will be a very great opportunity for the candidates who want to make their career in the Indian Army as an officer, because after successful completion of 4 years of the course, candidate will be granted permanent commission in the army in the rank of the lieutenant. So this will be a very great opportunity for you after clearing your examination, that is intermediate, in order to join the Indian Army. So friends, in this video we will complete discuss about the technical entry scheme 45th course related criteria of the age and the educational criteria, because there is some percentages required in the physics, chemistry, mathematics in order to apply under this scheme. And then after we will discuss about the selection process, means to say that you need to qualify the SSB interview, and on what parameters you will get shortlisted for the SSB interview, we will discuss in this video in a very comprehensive manner. So friends, firstly you need to download the official notification from the Indian Army official website, that is available under this section, that is the officer entry. So this is the official notification that is available on the Indian Army official website. You can download this official notification easily in your smartphone. So let us start our discussion on the different type of the eligibility criteria under technical entry scheme 45th course for the intermediate candidates. So friends, this is the official notification of Indian Army for technical entry scheme 45th course, and the candidates you can easily see under the para 1, that is the application or invited from the unmarried only male candidates. Means to say that only unmarried male candidates who have completed their 10+2 examination with physics, chemistry, mathematics will be eligible to apply under this scheme. And most important thing is that this will grant a permanent commission in Indian Army. Means to say that after completion of your course, you will get commission under the permanent commission in the Indian Army in the rank of the lieutenant, and this will be a very great thing for you and will be great opportunity for you. Now let us start our discussion related to the eligibility criteria for the age as well as the education qualification. So as you can read under the para 2b, there is a age limit in order to apply under this scheme. Your age should not below 16 and half year and should not above 19 and half year on the first day of the month in which the course is due to commence. Means to say that this course will be commenced from the July 2021. So according to this, the 1st of July 2021, with respect to this date, your age should not below 16 and a half years and should not above 19 and half year. Your date of birth should be in between the dates that are mentioned here, that is 2nd of Jan 2022 and 1st of Jan 2005. Both dates will be inclusive. Means to say that if your date of birth is falling on these dates, you will also be eligible in order to apply under this scheme. So this is the eligibility criteria in order to apply under this technical entry scheme 45th course. Now the eligibility qualification. So students, in order to apply under this TES 45th course, you need to qualify your 10+2 examination with minimum aggregate of 70% marks in your aggregate physics, chemistry, mathematics. You need to count your physics marks, chemistry marks as well as your mathematics marks, and combined marks should be 70% or above 70%. And if your aggregate percentage of the physics, chemistry, mathematics is 70% or more than 70%, then you are eligible to apply for this entry. And if your percentage is below 70% of aggregate physics, chemistry, mathematics, but your overall percentage of the complete subjects is more than 70%, then also you are not eligible to apply under this entry. Your percentage of aggregate physics subject, mathematics subject and the chemistry subjects should be 70% or above 70%. So this is the criteria for the education qualification and the medical examination and the physical standards. You can visit on the Indian Army official website related to the medical standards that are required in order to appear this entry. And then after, you can easily see under the para 3 related to the vacancies, approximately 90 vacancies will be there under this entry, and these vacancies are completely provisional and can be changed training capacity at the training academy for this course. Means to say that these 90 vacancies will be tentative, can be increased, can be decreased based on the requirement. Now we shall discuss about the selection criteria, on what parameters you will get shortlisted for the SSB interview, and then after qualifying the SSB interview there will be a training. So how much years you need to spend on the training, that will also be discussed in the video. So as you can see on this display, that is on the official notification under the para 6, your training will be of the 5 years. Means to say that the complete training will be consist of 5 years. Basic military training, that is a 1 year, and under the technical training there will be a 2 phase. Under the phase 1 pre-commissioner training, that consists of the 3 years, and after completing this technical training phase 1 and the basic military training, you will be granted permanent commission in the army in the rank of lieutenant. Then after, under the phase 2 there will be a post commission training of only 1 year. So this will be the criteria for your training after qualifying the SSB interview. Now we shall discuss about the selection criteria, on which parameters you will get shortlisted for the SSB interview and what will be the selection criteria. So friends, firstly you need to complete your online form. How to fill that online form we have already discussed in the separate video. The link of that particular video, in which we have already discussed how to fill the online form using your smartphone, the link of that video I will provide in this video's description box. You can easily access that video and complete your online form. So after completing your online form, based on your percentage that you have scored in your physics, chemistry, mathematics at intermediate level, based on that percentage official cutoff will declare. And in the official cutoff, if your aggregate percentage of physics, chemistry, mathematics will fall, you will get shortlisted for the SSB interview after qualifying that official cutoff. And after appearing in the SSB interview, you need to appear in the stage 1, stage 2, that is consist of the approximately 4 to 5 days. And after qualifying the SSB interview, you will get shortlisted for the training that we have already discussed about the basic training as well as the technical training. So friends, these are all the doubts of the technical entry scheme that we have already covered in this video in a very comprehensive manner. And any doubts other than that, if you have, you can post your query in the comment section. We will definitely discuss on that doubts also. Thank you friends.